You're probably using ChatGPT wrong and it's costing you time, clarity, and even classroom trust. I know because I was doing it too, and one mistake, it nearly wrecked my midterm lesson plan. Mistake number one, your prompts are too vague. Most teachers type something like, make a lesson plan or write a quiz. And what do they get? A generic copy-paste mess that doesn't match their class, their students, or even their subject. Instead, try this. Create a 45-minute lesson for 10th grade EFL on persuasive speaking. Include a 5-minute warm-up, a 1-minute group activity, and 2 comprehension questions. The difference? Massive. Now you're telling ChatGPT exactly what you want and getting outputs you can actually use. But even with a better prompt, most teachers still fall into mistake number 2. Here's the second mistake. Copy-pasting AI outputs without checking if they fit your context. Look, ChatGPT doesn't know your classroom. It doesn't know your students. So when you copy that quiz or that worksheet or that essay prompt without adjusting it, it's a cognitive bypass. Fix it like this. Here's what my students covered this week. Based on that, give me 3 quiz questions and flag any gaps. Now the output is rooted in your real teaching, not just AI guessing. Which brings us to the most invisible and dangerous mistake of them all. Mistake number 3, treating ChatGPT like a vending machine. You ask it something, it gives you something. End of story. But that's not how the best teachers use AI. Here's what changed everything for me. Here's my draft prompt. Help me revise it to be clearer, more specific, and better aligned to student goals. When I started asking ChatGPT to help me improve my prompts, not just the outputs, everything clicked. Now I use AI like a co-planner, not a content robot. My lessons are sharper, my outputs are more aligned, and I spend less time fixing things later. Which leads to an important question for you. What's the worst AI habit you've seen, or maybe even done yourself? Drop it in the comments. Like the video if any of these mistakes sound familiar. Comment your worst habit so we can all learn from each other. And subscribe because part 2 drops next. The 10 ChatGPT hacks that actually work for teachers in 2025.